Hey everyone, welcome to Up to Date Skills YouTube channel. I'm Joanna, and today I found myself trying to delete a YouTube channel that I don't really use anymore. And it took me some time to find the delete option. Now that I've finally managed to find it, I'm going to show you how you can find it too. First, you have to make sure you sign in using the account you want to delete. So click on the logo at the top. Then go to switch account if you're not logged in, of course. I can see the logo of the account I want to delete, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to head to YouTube Studio. Now go to this panel here on the left-hand side and look for the settings gear icon and click on it. This new window will pop up. From here, you have to select Channel and then Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. I was expecting to find a delete channel or something like that here, but instead I found this link here which says remove YouTube content. So click there. Once you click on it, you might be asked to sign in again. Once you confirm or sign in again, you will probably be taken to this page here. And here you will see two options. Option 1, I want to hide my content, and option 2, I want to permanently delete my content. So this is the option you go for. When you click on it, you will see some more details. These warning boxes are important. Read them carefully, and it does say that everything is going to be permanently deleted. You have to check these two boxes to confirm you understand what is going to be deleted. And finally, if you are really sure you no longer want that channel, you can click on the Delete My Content button. Now I'm being asked to confirm by typing in my YouTube channel name again, and here's the name, so you can just copy and paste it in the box below, and then you choose Delete My Content. And that's it. Your content is being deleted. You can go back to your YouTube studio and close this window. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.